Hello everyone, in today's video I'll quickly show you on how you can change or switch language in the Creality Slicer. Now this is going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to just head over to your project, and then it will look something like this. The second thing is you want to look for this file option at the top corner of your screen, and basically beside that you then have the drop down menu. Now it's going to be different, so you just want to click on this drop down menu, and from here you want to look for the preferences option. To make things easier, you can also press Ctrl P on your keyboard as a shortcut. From here, on the first option, we have the language options right here. So if you want to change your language, click on this drop down menu, and of course you can now select the language that you want on your Creality Slicer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.